Man, are you okay, T-Swatter? I noticed you've been running a lot lately.
Jacoon, I'm just going after cigarettes, you nosy SOB.
Well, what the fuck, man? One cigarette at a time? I mean, you smoke 3 packs a day. Then why the hell does your breath smell like alcohol?
It don't smell like no alcohol. I'm trying to quit smoking, you dummy, so I switched over to menthol cigarettes.
T-Swatter, you dumbass. That's still a cigarette you're smoking.
You're stupid, Jacoon. You just don't get it. Everyone knows you substitute candy for cigarettes when you're trying to quit smoking.
Well, those aren't candied cigarettes, T-Swatter.
No shit. I switched to menthol so I could substitute cough drops for cigarettes.
Well, you wouldn't be coughing all the damn time if you just quit smoking, you dumbass.
Jacoon, you're a fucking idiot. There ain't no candy that tastes like cigarettes.
Uh-huh. Candy cigarettes and Nicorette gum.
No, Jacoon, listen to me. Cough drops taste more like menthol cigarettes than candy tastes like regular old cigarettes.
Hey man, do you remember that time you got Nicorette gum stuck in your hair?
Yeah, I fell asleep with it in my mouth because you're not supposed to smoke in bed.
Well man, don't fall asleep with a cough drop in your mouth, T-Swatter. You'll choke to death.
That's why I bought Vapor Rub. I rub it on my chest when I go to bed.
Man, it sounds like you're wasting a lot of damn money, cuz. Cigarettes, cough drops, and Vapor Rub. Plus what it's costing you in gas to run into town every 15 minutes.
It's an expensive habit for sure. It's cheaper to smoke than it is to quit.
Hey, we could make our own cough drops.
Jacoon, just how in the hell do you plan on doing that?
Well, some folks call Pappys corn liquor cough syrup. So I'd say that's what we'd use.
How are you going to turn it into a candy?
Well, Pappy's got a pack of that Nicorette gum in his junk drawer in the kitchen. We'll just use that.
Well, now I know Pappy's liquor has corn in it, but what do you think he uses for the cough syrup in it?
Man, I don't know. Probably Vapor Rub. I'll run and grab what we need from Pappy's.
Okay, and I'll go get my Vapor Rub.
Okay, T-Swatter, I brought a small cooker to stir everything up in. Let's see. 1 lid of Pappy's corn liquor per each piece of gum. And 12 pieces of gum, so we'll need to put Vapor Rub on that gum first before we stir it up.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, man, let that ferment for a while and then you can try one. Later that day.
Hey, Jacoon, are those cough drops ready?
Damn, cuz, are you jonesing already?
No, man. I was gonna give a few to Delilah because she's been yelling at me for running into town so much. Now she's hoarse.
Yeah, you're the horse's ass.
Fuck you, Jacoon. I'm gonna need them cough drops.
Then later on again that night. Hey, what's all that damn noise coming from T-Swatter's? I better go check it out.
Jacoon, run! Delilah is drunker than a skunk. She's tearing up Sean Holler.
Damn, T-Swatter, you and your Delilah got some bad habits. Smoking and drinking.
She don't drink, you dumbass. She must be allergic to cough drops. She won't stop mumbling. I can't understand a word she's saying.
Yeah, probably because she lost her voice earlier yelling at your dumb ass.
She said them cough drops were numbing her tongue earlier. They just made me tingle a little bit.
What the hell are you guys using them cough drops for, T-Swatter?
We're using them like an Altoid for stimulating a little bit of pleasure.
Fucking weirdos, man. Whatever she did made you wet yourself.
Oh shit, Jacoon. I did piss myself. I can't feel anything down there because of them cough drops.
Damn, cuz, what the hell was she choking on that she used so many cough drops?
Well, you know.
Well, you're pissing yourself, cuz. Damn, it's cold out here, too. Look at the steam rolling off of your britches.
No, man, you're seeing vapor trails.
Sky rockets in flight. Afternoon delight.